killer heels and knuckle dusters. Sonakshi Sinha is certainly packing a punch on the fashion front as well. Before we get to the film, you're looking absolutely stunning today. I'm loving the whole look.
Thank you. I love how you've called my rings knuckle dusters. Well, almost. Yes. Almost. Just being in tune with my character.
Absolutely being in tune with your character. Of course, you're giving us something to look forward to on the big screen when it comes to girl power and women empowerment. But there's so much off screen as well right now, right? With with our athletes as well. With Deepa, with Sakshi, with of course Sindhu. Is there anything you want to say about that? Just surrounded by women empowerment at the moment.
Except that I'm so proud. I think it's a great time to be a woman in the industry, outside of the industry, in the field of sports. I mean, look at these girls. They've just gone out there and shown them who's boss. They are the ones bringing back the medals, which the men have not been doing. So definitely, it's a great time to be a girl.
Would you be actually? We've seen so many sports biopics and things like that. Would you be interested in doing a film like that?
Honestly, I would love to, because I've in my growing up years I used to play a lot of sports. Volleyball, throwball, football, basketball. I used to swim. I used to play tennis, shot put, discus. I used to done it all, and I used to enjoy it like anything. And I was so upset when I actually kind of stopped. It slowed down. I didn't get to play that much. So even now, like when we're shooting, whenever I get the time, if I can play some volleyball or tennis wherever they have a court, I try and do that. But I really miss it, and if I ever got the chance to do like a sports biopic, I would grab it with both hands.
This film, like I said, is all about fighting fit, but we don't want to be someone who's always in fight mode, basically. We want to choose our battles, right? What is the one battle that Sonakshi Sinha will always choose to fight?
The one battle that I will always choose to fight is for... I would like to fight for a healthy body image being portrayed to girls. I would like to fight for education of girls. For now, like I have been saying this, not only now, ever since I was doing my films earlier, I've been saying that self-defense should be something that should be incorporated in schools itself, right from the very beginning. So, these are certain things that I feel strongly about, and that is what I will always fight for.